Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this session, we're going to talk about responsive data table. First of all, let me show you a simple table which I was created here. Let me open a new tab so you can see, and you can see I created simple table in HTML. Now I want to convert this table into the data table, jQuery data table, and it's very easy to convert in data table. You just need to add data table JS and it's automatically converted. So let me give you small example how we can convert it. First of all, you need to open official website of the data table where basic setup and basic installation guidance given. We need to add these three jQuery into the our application. So let me open editor, and first of all let me open this page where I load HTML table. You can see here, and this is table, a specified ID and basic details into the table. Now we need to add that jQuery into the master layout, and here we specify CSS, and before the closing of the body tag we should specify all the script JS CDN. So let me copy. Let's copy this and put here. Now I'm going to convert into the script tag. And src, and then let's close. So all these three JS added. Now we need to add CSS. So let's go into this part, copy all these two CSS, and then open editor and put it here. And same we need to do here and close this link like that. And one thing you need to specify rel equal to style sheet. You must need to specify this relation, otherwise this CSS does not work. And now let's see, and still it's not converted because we just import JS and CSS, but we need to specify script for converting the data table using table ID. We specify example as a ID. Now I included that table in this home.blade.php, and I want to push script into the master layout, so I am going to use here stack. You can find into the description as well. I will put into the description. Now we need to specify here push, and then we need to specify same name which is we provided into the main file. Now let's define script here and specify new data table, and here we need to specify ID. So let me specify example and Then we need to specify some argument, for example row reorder. I tell you why I specified this, because you can see sequence is not properly ordered, so I'm going to specify row reorder and td nth child 2 from this table. So it's order by name by default, and let's refresh. Still something goes wrong, and you can see here spelling is not proper of this data table class. Now let's see, and you can see it's working and it's short properly, and pagination and everything is working by default, and you no need to add any functionality for the search, pagination, sorting, and you can show 25, 10. So this plugin, this library is very useful for this table. You can sort by column as well. See, now we need to make this table responsive. When we convert into the mobile screen, see, it's not look good. So next thing is I'm going to convert it into the responsive, and here you can find mobile responsive CSS. So again we need to add one more JS and CSS for the make it responsive. This time we need to add here and just put this CDN, same for the CSS. We need to copy only this one and just put it here, save, and let's check. This time still not, it's responsive. Let me show you. See, we need to put one option into this script, then it's appear responsive. So let me put just responsive true, and let me format this code, and this time let's see, it's responsive and showing name and sequence, and when you click this you can see other columns like that. Now this table is properly responsive and looks very good in mobile screen. So you can use this plugin